Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1 on your iPhone. And basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. To create a widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Then scroll down and you need to click Batteries. Or you can use a search and find batteries here and click right here. Here is 3 presets, you need to select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And right here you can check the battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. And yes, right here we have general battery percentages. If you want to check it for the left and right earbud and also for the charging case, you need to use an application. So open Philips headphones application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see the same menu. And right here we have the battery for the left and right earbuds and also for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!